Okay, I'm going to go over mitosis just so you can kind of hear me go through the process. Mitosis happens in all cells. It's how your cells divide. It's how your body cells divide. It's not how your sex cells divide. It's, for example, if you have a cut and new skin needs to grow. That's mitosis. There are 4 phases, which you've probably learned about: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. Usually people abbreviate them PMAT. A mnemonic to remember it is people meet and talk, or you can come up with your own mnemonic. But basically, we talk about what happens to the chromosomes in each phase of mitosis. And this is what it looks like. Interphase is in the cell cycle, G1S, G2, when the cell is preparing to divide, the organelles are duplicating, and the DNA is duplicating. And then when the cell is ready to divide and it goes into M phase of the cell cycle, we have prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. During prophase, you start to see this nuclear envelope dissolve, it starts to break up, and these spindle fibers start to form, which are going to move these chromosomes. The chromosomes also become visible. During metaphase, metaphase, you think M, middle, the chromosomes, they line up down the middle of the cell to prepare to split. During anaphase, the chromosomes are split and the chromatids are pulled to opposite poles. So one chromosome is like an X, and each half is called a sister chromatid because the DNA was duplicated. In telophase, we start to get this cleavage in the cell, and it's going to divide in two. We start to get a reformation of the nuclear envelopes around to form 2 new nuclei. Cytokinesis means the division of the cytoplasm. So you get 2 new daughter cells that are identical to the parent cell. In terms of mitosis, mitosis means division of the nucleus. Cytokinesis means division of the cytoplasm. Okay. In cytokinesis, the membrane squeezes together. You kind of get this pinch in between, and then we get 2 new cells. Okay. In an animal cell, it's easy because we have no cell wall, so the cells just split in two. Super easy. But basically, for a plant cell, it's different because they need to form a new cell wall. So when the cells divide, they form this cell plate. And once the cell plate forms, it completes 2 separate cells. So they're all sort of part of the same cell. If you remember looking at, let's say, the plant cell, the onion cell under the microscope, it kind of looked like a bunch of boxes, and that's what you get here. Whereas if you think about when we saw our cheek cells under the microscope, it looked more like this. And that's it.